It's Les with Metcalf Plumbing. We are doing our oldest water heater contest again this year. All information, all entries have to be in by May the 31st of 2024. It's for oldest water heater. It's for a 40-gallon gas or a 52-gallon electric. It's free. You go to metcalfplumbing.com, fill the information out, take a picture of your water heater, the rating label. You get that submitted and you'll get in a drawing, but it's for the oldest water heater. So electric or gas, but go online, metcalfplumbing.com, fill the stuff out, and hopefully you're a winner. Good luck.